Ever wondered which currency ends up being debited when you use Airwallex? It's a question that pops up for many businesses and individuals leveraging this global payments platform. After all, navigating international transactions can feel like a financial maze if you're not clear on the details. Let's unravel this. Airwallex is designed to streamline cross-border payments, offering multi-currency accounts and facilitating transactions in numerous currencies. The key to understanding which currency Airwallex deducts from lies in how your Airwallex account is set up and the specific transaction you're making. Typically, Airwallex will attempt to deduct funds from the balance that matches the currency of the payment you're initiating. For instance, if you're making a payment of $1,000, Airwallex will ideally draw this amount from your USD balance within your Airwallex account. This is the most straightforward scenario and helps avoid unnecessary conversion fees. However, what happens if you don't have a sufficient balance in the specified currency? This is where Airwallex's intelligent routing system comes into play. If your USD balance is lower than $1,000, Airwallex might look at your other currency balances to fund the payment. In such a case, Airwallex would perform a currency conversion from one of your other balances, say, Euro or AUD, to USD at their prevailing exchange rate, and then deduct the equivalent USD amount. It's crucial to be aware of these exchange rates, as they can fluctuate. Airwallex generally provides transparent exchange rates within their platform, allowing you to see the conversion before you finalize a transaction. This transparency helps you manage your costs effectively. Furthermore, the currency Airwallex deducts from can also be influenced by the funding source you've linked to your Airwallex account. If you're topping up your Airwallex account via a bank transfer or card payment, the currency of that external funding source will naturally be involved in the initial transaction into your Airwallex wallet. Once the funds are within your Airwallex account, the deduction logic for onward payments follows the principle of prioritizing the matching currency balance. To ensure you have optimal control over which currency is used for deductions, it's a good practice to maintain sufficient balances in the currencies you transact with most frequently. Airwallex allows you to hold and manage funds in multiple currencies, making this a viable strategy for businesses with international operations or individuals making cross-border payments regularly. Let's consider a practical example. Imagine you're a business based in Nigeria using Airwallex to pay a supplier in the United Kingdom for £500 worth of goods. If you have a GBP balance of at least £500 in your Airwallex account, the deduction will be made directly from that GBP balance. If your GBP balance is lower, Airwallex might convert funds from your NGN or USD balance to cover the £500 payment, applying their exchange rate for the NGN/GBP or US dollar to pound sterling conversion. Therefore, the answer to which currency Airwallex deducts from isn't always a single answer. It primarily depends on the currency of the payment you're making and the available balances within your multi-currency Airwallex account. If the matching currency balance is insufficient, Airwallex will intelligently convert from other available currencies. Keeping an eye on your account balances and the prevailing exchange rates within the Airwallex platform is key to managing your international transactions efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.